Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install PPSSPP Emulator on your PC. I'm going to explain everything step by step and I'll try to keep things as simple as possible. First, let's download our emulator. Go to PSP Emulator's website, click download, select zip file portable version. Extract your emulator. And now let's open our emulator. First, go to settings, enable full screen. Now we are going to start with graphic settings. We have three different backend options: OpenGL, Direct3D, and Vulkan. Rendering resolution is the most important setting here because it's gonna affect how our games look. You can select 1080p, 4K, or even higher. It all depends on your PC. If you have a powerful PC, you can select a higher resolution. Let's leave it at auto for now. We are not gonna touch software rendering. Anti-aliasing is off and replace textures is enabled by default. We enabled full screen. We are not going to touch display layout effects. VSync is enabled by default and we are not going to touch low latency display. We don't touch anything in frame control. We also don't touch anything in speed hacks. We don't touch anything in performance. Now, in the texture upscaling tab, we are going to choose a different texture upscaler. I prefer using Tex 4X version. You can experiment with the others and choose the one that suits your style. I usually play with this one. We are not going to touch anything in texture filtering section. And now go to control settings. Select control mapping. Make sure that your controller is connected to your PC. After that, select auto configure and select your controller. And now the emulator will assign buttons automatically. While we are here, come down. Just like the other emulators, you need to press the tab key in order to fast forward. Come to save state. Assign a button for save state and load state. I prefer using F5 and F6. And that's it. Click back. And we don't touch any other setting here. Now come to audio. Click on playback mode. You have two different options: smooth and classic. I played games with both of them and didn't notice a huge difference. You can experiment yourself and choose one that suits you best. You can adjust the game volume, reverb volume, achievement sound volume. You can also make the UI sounds if you want. I don't like it, so I prefer to keep it closed. We are not going to touch anything in the networking section. We don't touch anything in the tools section. And now click on system. You can change your language here. You can adjust the UI size. You can change your notification screen position. You can also change the background animation. You can select a theme. Now come to memory stick. Memory stick inserted is enabled by default. You can change the memory stick size. Default is 16 GB. You can make it smaller or higher. Let's leave it at default. We are not going to touch anything here. Come to the General section and click on Ask for exit confirmation after seconds. It is set to 300 seconds. After 300 seconds, the emulator is going to ask you, would you like to quit the game each time? We are going to set this to 0, so we don't get a warning each time we want to close our game. Don't forget to enable cheats if you want to use cheats. On the PSP settings, you can change your PSP model. You can change your nickname. You can change the date format and time format. You can also change the confirmation button. You can use circle, for example. And that's it. Our emulator is ready. Now we need a game. I'm going to exit from full screen. I'm going to create a folder on my desktop. Let's name it PSP Games. And I'm going to put my game inside that folder. Now let's go back to our emulator. Click on Games and select Browse. Now choose the folder that has your games in it. And now let's open our game and test it. Let's test our controller first. Okay, my controller is working. And now I'm going to show you some graphical issues you might experience while playing the game. I specifically chose Spider-Man's game to show some graphical issues. Now, you might have a powerful PC and you may want to play the games with every setting turned to max, but some games doesn't support higher resolutions. Now I'm going to set it to 10x PSP. And look at these vertical lines. These do not appear in all games, but they appear in some games, unfortunately. And only way to get rid of them is to lower your internal resolution. Setting it to 1080p usually solves the issue. And now we don't have any graphical problems. And while we're here, let's test our save states to see whether they're working or not. I'm going to create a save state here. And now I'm going to load it. Yes, our save states are working. Let's quit. And that's all to it. Now you are ready to play your games. I hope the video is helpful. If you have any questions, write down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and goodbye.